Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to create new folder on Wix.com. So guys, before doing any type of work over here, you must have to create a new folder where you can save all your files. For the making folder, you have to go on Wix.com. When you reach to the website, then you will see this type of window on your screen, and here you will see create new folder. Just simply you have to click on it, and then the pop-up will appear on your screen, and here you have to write the name of your folder. If I write my folder name, okay, now I've write my folder name, and now I'm going to done with it by click this create button. Guys, I've clicked on that button, and as you can see guys, my folder has been created, and you can see over here if I go with this folder, so the folder is empty now, but whenever I will do my work, I can save over here, and you can create many folders over here as per your need. So guys, this is how to create new folder on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.